welcome to H160. On our today's lesson, I'm going to explain how we are going to solve this problem. So, if you are a new member of my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe H160. Well, now let's see how we are going to solve this problem. First, let me define the possible in general meaning. Look at the problem. Find the possible value for k. Find the possible value for k. Say that this line is tangent to the curve of this one. Well, this means how we are going to solve this problem. That's what we're considering that. So, in order to find the solution of the value for k, in order to find the value of k, first of all, you have to understand what is the important relation between the line and the curve of this problem in general. Is that? So, let me explain. If you need, you can look my previous videos. I have explained generally the relation between a line and a curve of any function in general. So, what's the important relation between this problem? If the line may be horizontal, vertical, or oblique line, is that? We have three different equations of the lines: oblique, horizontal, or vertical. So, whatever the equation of the line is may be, if the line is absolutely tangent for the curve of the given problem, then when we are equating this curve with respect to this equation, the new equation will have one solution. Is that? So this is the first point. That means when we are equating this problem, the equation will have one root. Is that? This is possible if and only if the equation of the line is tangent of this one. So this is the first point. And the second point, if the equation of the line is secant of the curve, that means if the line crosses the graph of the function of the curve exactly at two points, when we are equating this equation of the line with respect to the curve, the new formed equation will have two real roots. So this is the second point. And the third point is going to be, if there is no relation between the line and the curve of the function, then the new equation formed by equating this and this will never have any solution. So this is the third case. So having this, let's do this problem with the first method, because this is the equation of the line tangent of this one. Is that? So we have to apply the first case. Even it is possible to use another technique or method in order to find the value for k if the line is tangent of the graph of, or the line is tangent of the curve of any function. There is another possibility to find the value for this k. So I'm going to explain this one in the near future, because it is not important here. We're going to apply a concept of derivative in order to find the value for k in general. Is that? For now, let's see. First of all, let me describe this problem. This is written as ky is going to be 12 minus x. Is that? Then let's solve y in terms of xk and some other parameters, that is over k. This is the value for y. And we have here y value is already this one. Then when we are equating this together, we can have that is 12 minus x over k is going to be 5 over x minus. This is the new equation. Is that? Then this implies that we need to multiply this together. 12 minus x into x minus 2, that's going to be 5k. Then let's multiply this. Now 12 times this, 12x. 12 times this, negative 24x. Minus x times x minus x squared. Minus x times minus 2 plus 2x. That is going to be 5k. So this is written as, rearranging this problem, minus x squared. Minus x squared. Let's subtract this one. Minus x squared, 12x, negative, plus this, that is going to be negative 12x, and this, that is negative 10x. Is that? Then that is minus 5k, which is going to be what? 0. This is the point. Is that? So look this one. Rearranging this problem, minus x squared minus this minus this, negative 12x, negative 12x minus, plus x, that's negative 10x, and this, when you bring this on the left, we can have this one. Now you can divide both sides by negative, so this implies that x squared plus 10k plus 5k is gonna be 0. Then, this is x. Then, how we are going to solve the value for k? Now, in order to find the value for k, what is already given on this statement? Is that on the given statement, what we have? This problem has one root, means that b squared minus 4ac should be 0. What should be mean? 10 squared minus 4 times a is what? 1. Because you know that this implies that a means 1. B is 10 and C is exactly 5k. That. So directly plugging all these in place of this one, we can have 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 5k is going to be 0. This is 100 minus 20k, which is going to be 0. So this implies that 20k is already 100 and k is gonna be, this is cancelled, that is 5. Is that? So this is the possible value for k on which this equation is tangent of this one. Is that? You understand? This is very simple. Is that? So if you are really committed to understand, if you are really devoted to listen and follow my YouTube channel, certainly you're going to be really a good mathematician. This is very simple. Is that? There are many cases that we're going to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.